Do you agree that getting traffic should not be difficult? Yes, but does it sound familiar to you? The reasons why some of these traffic methods won't help you to get the results you want are: A. They are difficult to implement. B. They are no longer effective anymore. C. The coach in the video did not explain the psychology behind why certain traffic methods work and how to customize it in such a way so that people can relate to you. D. A lot of time and effort are required. Driving traffic is actually similar to fishing. You need to get a strong fishing rod and fishing reel, including the correct type of bait for the kind of catch you want from the pond. Having said all these, if there is no fish in the pond, you'll never get a bite regardless of how hard you try. You have to move on to another place, perhaps to the river, sea, to spread your nets wider. However, if an experienced angler came over to show you some tricks to catch fish, would you listen to him? I am sure you would, but be selective. Before you decide to do anything, ask yourself these questions. 1. Have I been doing what I need to do to drive traffic to my website? 2. Did I spend enough time on driving traffic? 3. Do I really need to learn new tricks when I have not spent enough time practicing what I have learned earlier? There are people who keep buying products online and attending workshops, with the hope of learning how to drive traffic and get subscribers quickly. You need to try out a few methods before you can find one that is effective. For new marketer, learn to drive traffic with one method for a period of time before you move on to try something new. The idea is to be familiar with one method at a time and start your online business successfully. Why not start here? Take 5 to 10 minutes of your day and see results immediately. Article source: https://easyarticles.com/expert/Rochelle_tan/12056997. See link description below and join this one-time offer.